Hello my dear students, welcome back to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School channel. So, what we have studied in last session? Yes, do you remember? Yes, we have studied about successor and predecessor. Okay, what is mean by successor? How we have find out it? Successor number? Successor number we have to find out just by adding 1 in given number. And what is predecessor? What we have done to find out the predecessor number? Just we have to minus 1 from given number. So keep in your mind, successor means add 1, predecessor means minus 1. Okay. Today we will start one new concept, that is extension of number system. Okay, shall we start? Open your canopy, page number 11. Just keep in front of you. Nobody is going to write anything. Try to understand the concept properly. Okay, the number system can be extended of numeral having 7, 8 or more digit. Till now we have studied till 6 digit number. Yes, but today we are going to study about 7 digit, 8 digit. So, the largest 6 digit number. Do you remember students? What is largest 6 digit number? Shall we repeat from the beginning? Okay, we will repeat from the beginning. Now tell me. This is what? 0. And this is 9. Okay. Now between this, what are the numbers will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By using these digits only, we make many numbers till 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Yes or no? Yes. So, in this, 1 is smallest 1 digit number and 9 is greatest 1 digit number. Why I am calling 1 digit? You can see only one number is there. So, this is 1 digit greatest number. What is 1 digit greatest number? 9. And what is smallest 1 digit number? Is 1. Okay. Now, I will start from the beginning. See, this is 1. This is what? Smallest 1 digit. Okay. Is 1. And this is 9. 9 is smallest, sorry, not smallest, greatest 1 digit number. Okay. Now we will see smallest 2 digit number and greatest 2 digit number. When we add 1 to this 9, what we get? 9 plus 1, 10. Also we can say 9 successor. What is mean by successor? Successor means add 1. So, when we want to find out the successor of 9, what we do? We add 1. So, what we get? 10. Now, can you see students how many digits are there? 2 digits. So, this is 10. I will write here. And can you see how many digits are there? 2 digits. So, this is smallest 2 digit number. Are you getting? Yes. Now, I will rub this. Now, see, 10 is smallest 2 digit number and 99. 99 is greatest 2 digit number. In the same way, again we have to add 1 in 99. When we add 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, we get 100. Can you see how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So, here we got 3 digit smallest number, 3 digit. And here 999 is greatest 3 digit number. Okay. Now, see the next. Again when we add 1 in given number. So 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. Now count the numbers 1 2 3 4. Now here we got 4 digit number. Yes, yes, but smallest number will start from 1. So later on we have to give the zeros. Okay, means when we do the addition automatically it comes. Here is 1000. 1000 is smallest 4 digit number. Now in the same way 9999 is greatest 4 digit number. So what will come after 9999? So when we want to see the after number, we can do by addition 1. When we add 1 to any number, we get after number. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 9 plus 1 10. Again 9 plus 1 10. Again 9 plus 1 10. Can you see how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit we got. So this is 5 digit smallest number. And here what is greatest number? 9. So when I write 999 5 times, it is greatest 5 digit number. So what was my question? What is greatest 6 digit number? Now we will see. Again same way, add 1. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. Now see this 1 2 3 4 5 6. We got 6 digit number, that is smallest. Okay, I'll rub here. Now what is greatest 6 digit number? Yes, we have to repeat 9 6 times. So that will be greatest 6 digit number. So here I would like to introduce once again about the place value. Do you remember, students? I'll take this number only, 6 digit greatest number. Okay, see, from here we'll start. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000, we write T and TH, and 6th digit is lakhs place. Okay, till here we have learned. Now today we are going to see 7 digit number. The same way, next number of this number, or else we have to add 1 in that. 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. Now can you see, students, how many digits we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We got 7 digit number here. I'll write. So in smallest 7 digit number, 6 zeros will be there. Okay, and now what is greatest 7 digit number? Same, what is greatest number? 9. So write 9 7 times. Okay, this is. Now how to read this? Yes, now see, we got till here we have represented with the place value. Now again one more digit when we add, so it is 10 lakh. We have to represent as a T and L, means 10 lakh. Understood? Clear? Concept is clear? See, 7 digit number, smallest number is 10 lakhs, and 7 digit greatest number is 99 lakhs 99,999. How to read in place value chart? Do you remember? First 3 digit will comes in ones period, and second 2 digit will come in thousands period, and again last 2 digit will comes in lakhs period. Okay, keep in your mind. Now in the same way we will see what is smallest 8 digit number. Again add 1 in 7 digit, in largest 7 digit number. So we'll get 8 digit smallest number. 9 plus 1 10, 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 9 plus 1 10. Now read the count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, we got 8 digit smallest number. Okay. Now when we got 8 digit smallest number, I'll write here. See, this is the 8 digit number. Okay, and that too smallest, 3 3 6 7 8. Now once again I'll give the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Till here we have studied. Okay, now one more place is there, how to represent this number. So this number we have to present after 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, and we have to represent with the C. Okay, are you getting, students? Yes, we have to represent as a crore. So this is smallest 8 digit number, 1 crore. Are you getting? Now we will see largest 8 digit number. Now what is largest 1 digit number is 9. So in the same way repeat 9 8 times. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll add year only. Okay, see, let it be. We will write here once again, this is crore. I'll write 9 digit, I'll write greatest 9 digit number, 8 digit. See, this is 8 digit greatest number. Okay, 8 numbers are there. I'll write place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and now here crore. Are you getting? Yes, students, are you getting? Now how to rate this number? This number rate has, see, ones period, 1000 period, lakhs period. Now new period will start, that is crore. Okay, see, 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Are you getting? Yes, very simple. Okay, only now we are learning new place value. After lakh, 10 lakh, after 10 lakh crore. Now we will see next what is smallest 9 digit number and what is greatest 9 digit number. See, here we are having 8 digit greatest number. Add 1 in this number, so we will get smallest 9 digit number. Now let's add 9 plus 1, 10, 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 9 plus 1, 10. Can you count these digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is smallest 9 digit number. Okay. I'll rub this. This is smallest 9-digit number. Again in the same way, greatest 9-digit number. So repeat 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is greatest 9-digit number. I'll add here only. Okay, greatest. Here also, if I add 1, see, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it became 9-digit number. And if I add here 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here is 9-digit greatest number. 9-digit smallest, 9-digit greatest. Now till where we have learned? Crore. Now what is the next? 10 crore. We have to represent as a TC. TC means 10 crores. Are you getting? Here in the same way, here 9 represent as a 10 crore and this 2 digit will come in crore period. I'll write properly. This is crore, this is lakhs period, this is thousand period and this 3 digits is ones period. Now how to read this number? Let us read. See, 99 crore, 99 lakhs, 999,999. Are you getting? Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Now I would like to tell you something. Now see, in smallest 1-digit number only 1 is there. In smallest 2-digit number, after 1, 1 0 will come. Keep in your mind. In smallest 2-digit number, after 1, 1 0 will come. Next see, in smallest 3-digit number, after 1, 2 zeros will come. How many zeros? 2 zeros. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100. When in tens, how many 0 will be there? 1. In 100, 2. Now when smallest 4-digit will come, after 1, 3 zeros will be added. And it became 4-digit. And this is 1000 place. Now see here. When it comes about smallest 5-digit number, after 1, 4 zeros will come. Including 1, it became 5-digit number. So this is, here 1000 and 10,000. See, 5-digit smallest number, after 1, 4 zeros will come. In smallest 6-digit number, after 1, 5 zeros are there. So this is 6-digit means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, this is 10 lakh. And here we have learned crore. And here is 10 crore. Now see, in 7-digit smallest number, how many zeros will be there? 6. Including 1, it became 7-digit number. And in smallest 8-digit number, 7 zeros will be there. Including 1, it become 8-digit smallest. And in 9-digit smallest number, 8 zeros will come. Now, when we are reading this number, we have to write in proper manner. Okay, I'll tell you here. For example, I have taken XYZ number, whatever I feel. That too, 9-digit I'll take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Now, how to read this big number? So, in that case, what you have to do? First 3 digit will come in ones period. So, after ones period, give comma. Second 2 digit will come in 1000 period. So, give again one more comma. Again next 2 digit will come in lakhs period. Give again one more comma, and last 2 digit will come in crore place. Are you getting? Keep in your mind how to read the number. Okay. See, after 3 digit 1 comma, after 2 digit, after 2 digit. This is Indian system number. Okay. We write in Indian system in this way. Okay. So how to read now? 43 crore, 46 lakhs, 43,241. Understood? I hope concept is clear about number system. Now let's start with the examples. Now see here, we have learned, see, the largest 6 digit number is, now you are able to say, largest means 9. So how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Largest 6 digit number is, will come in lakhs place. Now when we add 1 in this number, we get 10 lakhs. Okay. So this is read as 10 lakhs. Now when we got 10 lakhs, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit. Okay. 10 lakhs is 7 digit number. Again when we want 100 lakhs, again one more digit will be added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smallest 8 digit number is called as a, we read as 10 lakhs. After that, when we want, and we can call 10 lakhs as well as, we call actually 100 lakhs. But also what is the new we are learning here? 1 crore. When 100 lakhs also read as a 1 crore. And it is a 8 digit smallest number. Okay. Can you see here? 1 crore. See here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay. Now 10 crore. See, 10 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Are you getting? Till here clear? And 10 crore is 9 digit number. See, here 9 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there in 10 crores. Now look at the number. Now see here. They have given one number 36158632 and this is the place value charts of crore. See, the 3 numbers will come in ones period, 2 numbers will come in thousand period, next 2 numbers will come in lakhs period and next 2 or 1 number will come in crores period. Now how to read this number? 3 crores, 61 lakhs, 58,632. Clear? Understood everyone? Place value chart of crore place we have learned. Crore period. See this number. Now how to write this number in name? Now can you see here? Now see this number which we have read. Okay. In the same way we have to write in name. Okay. How to write? First give the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See, now read with the ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crore period. 3 crore. Can you see here? 3 crore. 61 lakhs. See, ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crore period. 61 lakhs. So here is 61 lakh. 58,000. Now can you see here? 58,000. Are you able to see, students? Now see, I will show you properly. Yes, now you are able to see, I think. Once again I will write properly. Place value to give a number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. These 3 numbers will come in ones period, 2 numbers will come in thousand period, again next 2 digit will come in lakhs period, and next will come in crore period. See, after 3 digit comma, after 2 digit comma, after 2 digit comma. Now see, 3 crore. Can you see here? 3 crore. 61 lakh. 61 lakh. 58,000. 58,000. And 632. 632. Clear till here? Yes, students? Clear? Yes. Very easy. Okay. Now we will start with our exercise 1.7. First question. What is the first question? Write the numbers names of the following numbers. Shall we write? Yes, we will write. What is the first number they had given? 3, 42, 21, 052. First we have to place this number in place value chart. Okay? Don't forget to place these numbers in place value chart. So it will be easy for you to write inward of given number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. After 3 digit comma, after 2 digit comma, after 2 digit. This 3 digit in ones period, this 2 digit in thousand, this 2 digit in lakh, and this is crore. Okay. Now we will write inward of or number name of this given number. Now can you read how to write this number? 3 crore. So write 3 crore. And 42 lakh. 42 lakh. Can you see here? 21,000. 21,000. Now here 100 place nothing is there. So directly 52. FIFTY 52. Write spellings properly. Don't do mistakes. And when you are writing the number name, first letter should start with capital letter, and remaining all number name you have to write with the small digit only. Okay? Keep in your mind. First digit will be capital until end only small. I'll take one more example. Okay? We will take third one. What is the number they had given? 7000020. First, what we have to do? Place the numbers in place value chart. Okay, I'll place the numbers in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. See, ones period, tens period, lakhs period and crore period. Now let us write number name. Can you see? 7 crore. How to write this number? By period. See, it will be easy. 7 crore. So write here. While writing 7, S should be capital. Then later on all words start with the small letter only. 7 crore 00 lakhs. So no need to write anything. Again 00,000. Is it required to write? No. Last 20. So write TWENTY 20. Are you getting? Yes. Very simple. So there are 12 questions in this, but remaining all we will take in our next session. Till that time, what you have to do? You have to practice from 1 digit to 9 digit number, how I taught in the beginning. Okay, practice in same way to find out from 1 digit to 9 digit smallest number and 1 digit to 9 digit largest number. What is smallest 1 digit number? 1. And what is largest one digit number is 9. So by adding 1 1 1 you will get again next smallest number, and again when you want to make largest number just repeat the 9, how many digit will be there in the same way. Okay, you just try to solve question number 1 of exercise 1.7. Otherwise I am here to explain you remaining sums in the next session. Okay, don't forget to practice. Okay, you have to practice these sums in rough book. Okay, till that time, bye bye, take care.